Hey Sarah. How's it going?
Hi, Alex. I'm good, thanks. Just enjoying the beautiful weather today. How about you?
Same here. It's such a nice day. I heard the forecast said it would be sunny all week.
Absolutely. I love this kind of weather. Makes me want to spend more time outdoors.
Speaking of outdoors, do you have any favorite outdoor hobbies?
Oh, definitely. I love hiking and cycling.
That sounds awesome. I've been thinking about picking up a new hobby. Any recommendations?
Well, it depends on what you enjoy. If you like being active, maybe try something like hiking or even a sport like tennis. If you prefer something more relaxed, maybe gardening or painting could be fun.
Tennis sounds interesting. I used to play it in high school. Maybe I should get back into it.
That's a great idea. It's a good way to stay active and enjoy the outdoors. Plus, you might meet new people if you join a local tennis club.
True, I miss the social aspect of sports. Awesome. Looking forward to it. And hey, if you ever want to join me on the tennis court, just let me know.
Will do, Alex. Let's enjoy the sunshine and make the most of this fantastic weather.